Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to practice a Python program to convert the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, initially you need to take a variable Celsius to provide the input, float of input of, enter the temperature in Celsius. Next, for the conversion, we are taking Fahrenheit is equal to Celsius into 9 by 5 plus 32. Next, we need to print the value. Print function of Celsius is equal to Fahrenheit okay. Once the completion of the program, we need to run the program. Once after that, we need to provide the input. I am giving 35 degrees centigrade. The 35 degrees centigrade is equal to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Thank you friends. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and